always refer to your installation instructions, as it is the primary source of information regarding your appliance. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Installing a 3-wire plug for your dryer. First, remove the terminal block cover on the back of the dryer. Insert the cord strain relief, one side up, one side down, then screw the strain relief together, leaving a gap for the cord to pass through. Insert the cord through the strain relief, then tighten down the strain relief. Attach the center wire to the center of the terminal block. Attach the 2 outside wires to the left and the right side of the terminal block. It doesn't matter which side they're on. Reattach the terminal block cover.